How to use templates in DreamMail. This demo assumes you've already opened DreamMail. Now click on the Tools menu. Click on Template Management. You will see many pre-made templates. You will find various types of templates, business, moods, birthdays, and more. With the help of these templates, you can create personalized and beautiful emails. On the right side, you will see the default template is selected for new mail, reply, forward, and fast reply emails. Let's change the template for a new email. Click on Select. Let's select a business page template for our business email. There are 4 templates here for us to use. Let's see which template is best. Let's select the first template. Let's check the second template. This is good, but not what we are looking for. Let's try the third. We found our template. Click OK to choose. You have selected the template. You can see it here. Now whenever you send a new email, this template will be used. You can create our own template by clicking here. You can create new blank HTML and text templates. You can also create templates from external HTML and text files. This is the end of the tutorial. Now you know how to use templates in DreamMail.